What's new?
What's new? Nothing much. Just chilling.
What's up guys, and welcome to another YouTube video. In this video we are going to create a chat application that is going to overthrow WhatsApp. So it has got a name. Its name is Master Chat. We are making this from scratch. We are going to create it from complete scratch, and Python3 socket module. If you haven't watched my socket module beginners tutorial, you have to watch it. I will be putting it somewhere. You can just go ahead and watch that, and let's get right to it. So this will be our architecture today. The server will receive message from the client, and server will redistribute among the other clients. If the server receives a message from this client over here, and the message is received by the server will redistribute among the other clients. This is for the TCP connection, so we are going to implement a TCP connection today, and I am going to also implement it with Ngrok server. So let's get it. So first of all, open your preferred, ideally mine is PyCharm. So alright guys, I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to name it as Master. Creating that, just loading components. So with that being set, let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to write a server-side script. So starting with importing socket module. Socket dot af underscore inet, which stands for address family of inet, and socket score stream. Okay, then we are going to bind to our local address, so it will be 127.0.0.1 on the port 6535. So let's do bind connection 127.0.0.1 comma 6535. Port will be 6535. So now we have to listen for connections, which will be in our main loop. While true, if I can spell correctly, while true, C is to accept, and we will have a number of clients, right? Multiple number of clients. So I am going to create a list of clients. Clients is equal to a list. Then if a new connection is accepted, I am going to append to the client. Okay, so clients dot append client A. A stands for the client socket, right? The socket of client. And I'm also going to import the threading module. I'm just going to import everything from client. Thread, import everything. So I'm going to start a new thread. Which will be named as receive, and the function will be define receive. I will tell you what is happening going on here within a sec. What it is happening here is that I'm going to call this receive function here, which is going to listen for all the individual clients. If a new client is connected to our socket, the server is going to start a new thread for listening if any message is coming from the client or not. So it define receive, and we'll just write s.receive or the client socket, right? I'm going to take a parameter that is receive a. Is going to set a, and a dot receive 1024, and it is going to buffer at 1024 byte to be received, and a dot receive, it will be message, right? Message is equal to a dot receive. Wonderful. For second record, I just going to print message receive and comma msg dot people udf8. It will actually only print in server. Actually, we have to receive from each client and actually distribute. So I'm going to send it after receiving a message from an individual client. I'm going to send it to every clients. So for IN clients, which is our client list, which contains every clients in our server. So for IN clients, I send message.encode in UTF-8. Make sure that you encodes it in the same way in every places you encodes. So actually it is a type of convert to byte. Then next thing we have to do is that we have now receiving the connections and we have sending to the other clients, right? Okay, but okay, it will be a tuple, right? Just to be a tuple. And also I just forgot to listen, so you have to listen for F5 connections in a queue, also to make sure that our program doesn't crash. So with that being said, let's work on client script now. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this to my client.py, and we'll, instead of binding, connect to this address, and we will have to receive in a thread. So define receive, and I write s.receive at 1024 byte, which will be our message to be from the server, right? Message is equal to, and just print out that print in UTF-8 as we have already encoded in the other main server.py script. So after that, I'm going to create a new while true loop. While true. In here I'm going to accept for message to be sent, right? Input of just like that, input of, and I say s.send message.encode in UDF8. And I'm also going to create a thread for receive function. Also make sure that the functions running inside the threads should be in a while true loop to receive it continuously. So while true, and going to client script to set it to while true, and while true. So let's test it for the first time. So God please help me. I'm going to run Python3 and Python client.py. Okay, nothing showing up till now, no errors. I'm going to run send hello. Perfect, it runs hello. So I'm going to run another client.py says hello, right? Perfect. So I'm going to send hi, and runs hi. You can see that hi is also here, and another client is going to connect Python client.py and hello guys, and you can see that hello guys is here, and also it is also in here, and the server also prints out received hello guys. So I'm just going to close this connection, and you can see that our server is crashing. So by now we need is that we need perfect exception handling and also structure a code. So let's get into it. For in a chat room we need to identify a person, right? So I'm going to get the user's name, actually the client's name, and I'm going to sum it with the message and display that. So for that I'm going to ask the user for his or her name for the first time when running input of enter your name, and when we send the message, I am going to just some string of name with the message and encode that. So what happened? Why this is turning in yellow? Okay, I'm going to just open up another bracket string, put a string inside. Yeah, perfect. Now we have a name for our clients. Each and every client have to now write a name first before getting into our chat room. Now also we need an error handling here and there. That is try and accept statement, so that the app doesn't crash even if there was some like connection reset error or something. So accept, just pass it out, don't print that anything. In server side too, we need to log everything, each and everything that is happening in the server, right? So we can beautify it if you need, but I'm just printing out for now. Plus connection accepted, and now we need to just beautify it. Control Alt L will actually format the code into just a slight little bit, and Control Alt L. There we are. So now I'm going to have an error handling statement over here. Try. Then we also have an exception statement, except. Oh, we had to print out exceptions in server because it's really crucial for our application. If the server dies, the application dies. So exception as E, print out string of E. It will also print a negative mark with that. It means it's bad. That right? Okay, and plus with that. So almost our application is now perfect. You can add timelines or log times now. Timestamps will help you to identify if anything goes wrong. At what time, which message was received at what time and all. So now I am going to deploy this app into Ngrok, which will allow us to connect to my computer through the internet. Ngrok is used for tunneling connection to my computer. And let me open up Ngrok really quick. Okay, CD downloads, desktop, CD downloads, CD Ngrok, CD. Now I had to run Ngrok, TCP protocols for TCP connection, TCP through 6535. So the server is now starting up now. Online and everything is good to go. Now I am going to share my forwarding IP. This IP is the TCP IP here, and also the script to my friends, and let's see how the chatting goes. So now I am having some second thoughts that if my app crashes in front of my friends, they will while they are using it. So I am going to run it again one last time to check that everything is working properly fine. Make sure you also write every block where there can be a X stand for an error. Try putting it a try and accept statement every way possible so that the app doesn't crashes even if the error is popping up. We don't want our application to crash if there is some slight error like a connection was exited from another client. So I'm just going to run the server one last time to check that if anything goes wrong or something. Python3, then he is asking for my name, Ashish, and it is prompting for a message to send. So I'm just sending hello, hey, Ashish, hey, and you can see that connection accepted, message received, Ashish, hey. And I'm going to open another client, Python client.py, enter a name, my name is Neb, and it's prompting for message to send, hello, this is Neb, hello. See, I have already received the message over here. Now I am going to open another client, Python client.py, enter a name, and I will just name it as Alex or something, and I just ask for message to send, hi guys, and you can see Alex, hi guys. You can see the hi guys is over here and also here, also in the server 2. That's it. I'm going to send it to my friends now and let's see what they say.
So hello guys and welcome to NabLab, and I'm Belfin and I'm the electronic expert here, and we are waiting for his server to start so that I can start his client and we can start chatting in the chat room.
Yeah, let's begin. Yeah, let's get this going. Let's start. Yeah.
Okay guys, my friends are joining in and let me say hello now. Hello now. It's kind of cool application. You can, that's just a terminal, but does the job. So nice. There is the other.
Okay, let's minimize and yeah, when this client we have connected and I'm typing my name. Okay, and I'm joined. Yeah, let me see if he's online. Oh yeah, he's there. Okay, bro.
What's new?
What's new? Nothing much. Just chilling. Just chilling. I'm not very fast at typing, so to be a bit slow. Doesn't matter, I think. So stay tuned. I will be uploading an Arduino video very soon, and you could learn about Arduino and stuff, programming it, and we could rock.
Pretty much for in this video. I know that this code is not really optimized for chat application, but it kind of do the work. So I'll be also placing the GitHub link for the code in the description, so make sure you check that out. And forgive me if I just forgot anything about this. And please make sure that you like and subscribe. Our new video will be coming up real soon. I'm also thinking of giving it a GUI, the Master Chat GUI. So until then, ciao.